is my quest that you all must guess. The pearl of the Orient Seas is rising in the southern part of the Garden of Eden. The Queen of the Flowers is blessed name, the most gracious Queen. Rainbow is painted on the sky, for the ark of salvation is sailing, never to sink by the water, nor be slammed by the wind, not even to be burned by the fire. For God elements obey her highness. You're the royal queen, and I'm one of your princesses, of your being serene. In all God history, you intervene, for you are the last but not the least, the very first and last God siren. What a blessed name!